Oh shit.
Well, I was about to say welcome to the vlog until we were so rudely interrupted.
What?
We were so rudely interrupted introing the vlog.
By who?
Yeah, I already did a hill climb and broke my fender off, so that was great. But yeah, we're out at the sand pits today, and we're doing hill climb.
I thought this was clay.
Look at this pro goon rider with the full lit kit.
Like smashing into each other and stuff. It's gonna be great. Yo, do you think you can make that hill climb?
How's that one?
The one time I don't film this kid hitting the hill climb, loops it, breaks the fender off.
God, that does not smell good.
Oh my god.
Send it!
Kid just blew up the pit bike after. Oh my god.
Vape Nation! Now what do I do?
You!
And in my mind, in my head, this is where we all came from. The dreams we had, the love we shared, this is what we're waiting for. And in my mind, in my head.
Hey man, what's up man? I found this off the hill climb, man. Is it
Yeah, we're
yours?
going for redemption. We blew up the bike, we broke the back fender off, but we're gonna make it this time.
Alright man.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have a stick. Okay.
Alright, we good.
What? You see the top? I got caught. I almost came back down.
Oh man.
I thought you ate shit, that's why you're laying there. You almost flew into him.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like leaned back, I
almost
put
fell
the
back
camera
down.
out.
Really? I railed the frick out of it.
Yeah.
On my old KLX 110 F.
F?
Yep.
Yo, it's just
Nice.
another bump start video.
Another bump start video.
Axel who?
limiter?
Hey man, what's up, man?
What's a limiter?
The limiter?
What's a limiter?
What's a limiter?
I don't know. Yeah, how is this thing not blown up?
Oh man.
Broken fender, shaky pipe. We were blowing like a 2-stroke earlier. Missed the burn.
Let's see the burn.
Yeah.
Yeah, that thing's pretty big. I don't think we got it.
No, I don't think he's got it. You missed!
It's sand the whole way up. Wait,
You're too fast to turn.
it's gonna be so hard.
It's easy on that pit bike. I did it.
You think it'd be easier to hit it that way? Forever. I think we're gonna try that way.
Like that?
Yeah.
Yeah. One sec.
How the fuck did he do that?
I don't know.
He's right here.
Well, we're not going anywhere.
Yo, your pit bike's so much faster.
Yeah, when it gets going, but it bogs. This is a cinematic one.
Down in the frickin' hole. You should rail the berm, broad.
Yeah, the burn, Brad. Yeah, come here. Here we go.
Yo, dude, let me see my phone. I get a Snapchat.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Now we're mountain goats.
Mountain goats?
Wild man can't climb the mountain. Holy shit.
Oh my!
Oh, we've got Spider-Man.
Tarantulas.
Tarantulas. Yo, watch, it's not gonna start. I don't think we're making it now that I made that hole.
Yeah, and there's another one down there.
No, it's fine.
Where's my
But you
phone,
know,
bro?
it was a good attempt. It was a good attempt.
Bro, okay, I gotta go down here. Just show the viewers at home how deep this hole is. How big this trench is, dog. Like,
See, I'm like 6'7", and this is like still this big.
more like 5'10".
Yeah, and like it's still this big, and I'm like a giant. I'm like Shaq.
Yo,
Yo.
yo.
Yeah, bro.
I feel like this is like life, man.
Life?
You need to climb the mountains. I don't know what that means, but you have to climb them.
You have to climb them.
We
Your
just have
goals
to
are at
do
the
it.
top of the mountain.
It doesn't matter if you don't make it. You have to do it.
It's the thought that counts.
It's like,
But don't not make it.
Yeah, then,
yeah, if you don't make it, then you're screwed.
Yeah, don't not make it.
so I'm screwed.
Yeah, you're done.
Damn.
Oh, we got a billy goat.
Gotta be 6 foot to old.
Oh, the leap.
$20 if you can roll down this on your pit bike.
Okay, what is this?
On your
No,
what?
you
What's
gotta
this?
see it.
Yo,
So-
dude, you wanna film this?
Yo. Yo, okay. I want to get a reasonable like goal here. So I have 250 subscribers. Okay, 8 million likes, and I'll roll down this on the pit bike.
With no wheels.
Yeah. That's realistic, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Yo, this is a thumbnail right here, dog.
Calvin, BB are so cheap they don't even give you stickers.
Insane pit bike flip, suspender snapping, hill climb.
God. Framed her.
You know what? Clear this.
What?
You know how bad that hurt if you cased this?
I don't think we got it. I think we got it.
That one maybe, but no.
Oh! Do it!
Double, triple.
Do it.
I think I can make that.
Me to a savage.